This is Mick Sheridan Upholstery's workshop and the last gallery in Llangadog, southwest Wales. At the moment we've got the Urdd Eisteddfod on, so this is Mr. Urdd in the window here, and this is the Urdd symbol, which is a national festival of culture for children in Wales. The space is an ex-cobbler's shop and the shelving and the wooden panel work is still in place, but as you can see it's used as a display room for Mick's upholstery work and also for regular local, national and international art exhibitions. Currently the space has taken on another role, and that is of storeroom and experimental space. Another space for me to play with my sculpture. During my time on the MFA in Falmouth, my work has gone from 2D painting to 3D sculpture and relief through extended painting. I use fly-tipped furniture and recycled upholstery waste from my husband's upholstery workshop to create sculptures and relief pieces. What you can see here is ready to go, and as you can see, excess recycling bags have come in very useful. So here we are in Mick Sheridan Upholstery Workshop, which is on the side of our house in Llangadog. This is where I've spent the last 6 months learning new upholstery techniques and also learning how to use upholstery specific materials and tools. As a result of stripping chairs down like this one, there have been bags and bags of excess waste materials for me to use. Materials like foam cannot be recycled, so it is essential that somebody does something with them. I've used recycled upholstery materials and waste to create something new. In our breaks, we play darts. Here's another chair here waiting to be used, fly-tipped on the streets of Swansea. And here are more materials waiting to be used. Mick also collects materials for other artists, sculptures local in Wales. Even my greenhouse is being used as a storage facility. On days like today, I get to sit here sometimes, but as you can hear in the background, there's always the lawnmower. And finally, here we are in my studio. Here you see my mood board, which is on an old sewing unit. I find this very useful to remind me of where I've come from and where I want to go. I have another one here, the ever-present Eton boiled eggs, which are my staple every day, keep me going. A couple of more mind maps on the wall here, again just to focus my thought patterns, as I tend to get quite lost, especially in here. This is a piece, well, that's another tool that I learned to use, an electric staple gun, essential with what I've been doing over the last 6 months, saved me a lot of time. This is part of a soft sculpture that I'm working on using Ercol fabric, as you can see, turned inside out and painted on too. I'm also making some small sort of doorstop type things to weigh down a sculpture that potentially might get tripped over or fallen onto. And as you can see, my wall at the back of my studio has been my spray painting wall. It's got sort of layers of activity happening there from the last 6 months. Some more soft sculpture there. Yoga mat, which I try and do a little bit of every day just to keep myself sane. I have I'm very lucky to have a great view out onto my garden, and you can see how my reliefs and paintings are all about positive and negative space. And round we go. Some more, these are the sort of remnants of the upholstery materials that I've got left just to finish off and work with. These pieces are going to be sort of individually displayed around the space at Volcano in Swansea from the 8th of July to the 23rd. So if you're in the area in South Wales, it's beautiful here. Come and have a look and have a chat and maybe join in, because a lot of the sculptures are going to be, and the paintings are going to be interactive. So I'll leave you there. This is where I spend most of my time watching my lectures for the FMP, and obviously over the weekend, which has been wonderful so far. And thank you for watching, and any questions we can chat about later on. Bye for now.